Guys, so this, as you can see, is a chill video. I'm on a porch. My baby's outside playing. I am tired, but he wants to play. So I got my Boxycharm box in the mail today, and so we're going to do an unboxing. At this point, this is as raw as it gets, okay, with me. The next step is just naked, and we don't do that on here for you guys. So, with that being said, okay, you would think I undid this, but I didn't. Okay. My neighbor over there sounded like he crying. Okay. I can't say nothing because my daddy be singing around here too. Okay. Alright. Let me... Hold on. There we go. Okay, so we have... this is the base box. We got 5 items in here. Boxycharm Boxy Spring Reveal is what it is called. So of course it's the base box. You would know by 5 items, but if you don't know, Boxycharm comes in 3 different boxes. 2 are monthly, 1 is quarterly. This is the inexpensive one, or the first tier. Let's say that. This is the first tier, $30 a month. I believe it comes out to, I don't know, maybe more. Who knows? But I keep this box going so that I can buy things when a pop-up comes. So the first item we're going to go through, we're going to talk about is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, which I got in 370 warm. And it says a water-resistant liquid foundation that creates a luminous natural finish. The radiant formula delivers long-wearing medium coverage, yet still feels so light weight and looks extra fresh, ultra fresh. Okay, Luminous foundation blurs any imperfection without caking or masking the skin's natural radiance. It looks so great on its own. There's no need to set with a powder. We're gonna see. Okay, we're gonna see. What I do like with my sports one is the fact that, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me, is the fact that you do not have to have, you don't have to powder it. So if this is something like that, I would love, love, love to see it. Okay, so we are going to try this one out. Prayerfully, I picked the right color. Prayerfully. So that's number 1. Number 2, and I'm just going on an order of the cards, is this Selah by Celine Tadrissi. I don't know. It's the Glacier Clay Cleanser. I don't know why they keep giving me this type of stuff. It's irritating my soul. This here. And this retails for $45. The foundation retail for $38. It says this gentle glacial cleansing cream helps to remove the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to reveal a fresh, glowing appearance, enriched with natural botanical extracts and minerals from glacial oceanic clay to leave skin soft, fresh, and radiant. That's this one. I've had something before from this, and it might have been a lotion or something. I don't remember, but I don't think I ever used it. But it was more so a sample size instead of a full size. Next is this Christopher Robin's Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold. Using a delicate rose blend, infused formula with baobab, leaf extract, and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. Unless I'm using this on a wig, I don't know what I would do with it. First off, as you know, and second of all, because I'm natural, I really don't need a fuller type feel, but okay, whatever. This retails for $39. And my reservation of using this, I think I said the right word. If not, y'all let me know. But the reason why I'm not excited about using this is because they have a scalp scrub that I did try, and my scalp didn't agree with it at all. It actually made it itchy. But anyways, the next item is going to be from Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lash Snack Lifting Mascara. This retails for $15. It says this flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners. Like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil, so your lashes can live large. Yep. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the formula naturally enhance every single lash for 3 times the volume. Okay? I'm not going to open it because, you know, once you open it, you're going to have to use it. And I got too many open now. And no, I personally do not listen to expiration dates. Okay? And last but not least, it's going to be from Lucky Chick. It's a liquid eyeshadow, and it's retailed for $22. It says this gorgeous metallic pink shade creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. Oh, that's cute. It is lightweight, long-lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lid or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this soothing cucumber and rich eyeshadow makes it perfect for all day wear. Okay, and that's it, guys, for this box. I'm not mad at it at all. I'm gonna use 4 out of the 5 items, and I may use the 5th. No, I'm not gonna use that 5th one. I'm gonna use 4 out of 5, and the 5th one is just going to go in my pile of things to give away or donate. So yeah. I'm pleasantly surprised, okay? And this is actually not a long video, guys. Look at me. Okay. Anyways, that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this box. You know, I'm not like, oh my god, wow, wow, wow. But, like, I can use everything in one video. You know, I can do a wear test for this one. And then I can do a taking off for this one. And try the mascara and a liquid eyeshadow. You know, now this I'm not going to try in a video because, like I said, I don't want to open it because I do have some that's already open, but everything else I can do. That's it, guys, for this video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells so you'll be updated with future uploads. You'll be notified with future uploads. Both. Okay, both. Just do it. Just do it. Like, it is so crazy. Okay, now I am being more consistent on my channel, but when I tell you guys I got 50 in the last 20 days, like, I know it's a small step, but it's a big step for me. Okay, a big step for me. But yeah, I love you guys and I appreciate you guys, and those that you're sticking with me and those that are joining the journey. Thank you so much. I know I might not posted one last month, but I did get it. But yeah, I love you guys. Until the next video, be beautifully different, stay beautifully different, and be you. Bye, guys.